Howdy everyone. And nice Ruko oval cylinder device here. Really cool and interesting lock, this one. Let's see if we can get a loaned to me by Mario. Thanks very much, mate, for lending the lock. It's a really cool one. So let's try and see if we can pick it and have a look at the insides. SPP in this thing is an extremely laborious process, and I by no means got it mastered. So I found the easiest way is to try and rake up a false set and then go in, try to get on the pins, try to get them to set without oversetting, and maybe use some some manual counter rotation. See, I don't think that was a click tip. I think that was the pick slipping off the pin. Again, that's the biggest trouble with this lock. Just trying to get the pick to stay on the pin. Yes, we did it. Yeah. I can't believe I got that so quick. If give 10 minutes each time. I turned the video off about 10 minutes each time. And this is, I think, the fourth attempt. Yeah. So even when you do it that way, not easy. Okay, you go, there you go. But I managed to get it. Also the tension trick. Mario advised me with that one. You need full control over the core in this lock. Let me just try and tilt this camera a little for you. Now, and we'll cut this lock. So I think I'll actually leave that tension there for now, just while I unscrew this, because no key for this, so I don't want to lock it back up. Okay. Oops. Now. Okay, now we have to be careful. Get this out. How'd you get there now, misters? Okay, let's keep the pins there. Okay, now I'm just going to follow her here, and I think this one will work best. I don't think on this but you never know, so let's just put that there, and tweezers, and we are good to go. Hey, that tweezers, but yeah, we'll struggle on with that one for now. There it is, the good one. Okay, let's see here. Okay. It says, let's put the, yes, I'll definitely put that shim in for, just for precautionary measures. Yep. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, but keep pins up. Okay, that's what you get now. Good stuff. Now, I see that one of the most unusual things about this lock, see, they're probably all going to fall out now, aren't they? It's these suckers. There's no sidebar, as you can see, but there are finger pins. So actually, I'm going to dump all those out. Okay, shit. Can you tell I'm not used to dealing with these thingy-majigs? Okay, now these no effect on picking that I noticed. So 6. Oh wait, sorry. 5. Yeah. 4. 3. 2. 1. Oi, the key pins didn't fall out. 6. Okay, 6. 5. sorry, 6-5, or yeah, that's right. Come on, 4 out you get. And 3. Come on now. 3. Yeah, 3. Whoops, 3. He's a cool guy, isn't he? Oh, I need to see this actually. I need to see that was it. But that's actually a driver that's in the wrong place, I do believe. Oh, hang on a sec. I'll run out of room. Over. There. You go. Okay, now let's get 2 more out here. 2 and 1. Okay, you can leave that there, I think. Well done, isn't it? That was 2, and that was 1. Away for there. Okay, now let's go upstairs, see what happens. Okay, I'll start in the back here. Get rid of this shim. Okay, now. See, pin 6. Yeah, see, there we go. That's the way it's supposed to be mounted. Mate, I picked this lock and when he got it, he took it apart. Took a picture, showed me the insides, but whoops. Right. I had a feeling that driver number 3 was in the wrong position, but he was adamant that that's how it came out. But it's in the wrong position. Obviously, it's supposed to be upstairs there. Oops, there we go. There's 3. Oh look, a wafer, big one too. Oops. 2. Yucks. And 1. Okay, hang on a sec here. Okay, I think that's it. Dump some springs now in a minute if need be. Okay, let's just arrange these. Oh yeah, look at that little guy. That wafer was in 2 there, wasn't it? I believe. Yeah, it was there. Hang on. Yeah, see that's where it was, but that pin in number 3 there is supposed to. Sorry, 1 second. I'll try and get in. This will probably reduce the quality of the massively. Well, do you see any countermilling in the car? There is definitely a countermilling there in the car. I'm gonna stick with this. Back this back out. It's much better. Come on, light. I don't have a torch handy. Dang it! Come on. I can't believe it. You can see it better with the close-up. There's definitely just some good countermilling in those chambers, every single one of them, and man, it hangs up well on them those drivers, the gin bottles. But yeah, you see the unusual things about this lock. Here we go. That's the gin bottles. These guys here, which are, man, they're tough to pick. Gin bottle pins, but also in position 1 is those little fellas, a new one. So it's a mixture, and even him, it's really caught on that countermilling. But yeah, really tough lock to pick, and I'm happy to get that one so quick because I don't know how long the gun has taken. But anywho, Let me just try and get you a bit closer so you can see them a bit better. Whoops, apologies for the sound. I'm blowing anyone's ears off. Good, this just figuring out this new it's new thing that I took out of the car windshield for holding the phone. But hey, here we go. There are the pins. Very nice. I'm going to I'll repin it back up, Marius. I'll put that one back in the correct spot up there. Lefty, do that lefty. There we go. And we go back together. And the sidebars are interesting. There is a sidebar, a space for sidebar on the lock, but not in the lock body. I don't think. Oh, there is actually. There is. The sidebar cut out even in the lock body. So man, it's. I dread to think what that lock would be like if it had a sidebar in. Nigh on impossible, I would imagine. Okay, guys, there you go. Apologies for the really bad camera work, but awesome lock. I think it needed a video, and now I can get it back to Marius. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Bye, guys. Happy picking.